Today, we will explain the operation of the torsion shaft bending machine E21 system. First, refuel here. To add it to the middle position shown in the fuel gauge. There is a refueling port here. Fuel is ready. Power on first. The main power cord is connected to this location. Connected. The first step, power transmission. Turn on the power. This is the oil pump starting. Before the oil pump starts, we need to turn on the emergency stop button first. There are 2 emergency stop buttons in total. If the emergency stop button is turned off, the oil pump won't start. Start oil pump. Check the forward and reverse rotation of the motor after starting. Click Start and Close after a colleague has observed it. Look at the direction of the motor. Blade steering required and arrow indication suppression represents forward motor rotation. Forward rotation is normal. Our machine has pressure only when the motor rotates forward. This is the control system of the E21. This is the power indicator. This is the power key switch. This is the oil pump start button. This is the choice of function. This is jog or single or continuous. The emergency stop button needs to be turned on. Start. When you first start turning it on, step on your feet. Let the upper knife of the bending machine return to the top. First, choose the mold according to the thickness of the plate we process. For example, the plate we use now is 1 mm thick. Then we have to choose the corresponding mold. The method of mold selection is 8 to 10 times the thickness of the plate. Q235 iron plate is 8 times. Stainless steel plate is 10 times. Then we can choose this mold. This is a 12 mold. You can fold it. So now we need to turn over the mold we need to use. First, you must press the system run button before the knife can come down. Next, release the mold clamp block. Loosen both sides. Hang up the chain. Step on your feet slowly. Flip mold. Step down slowly. Yes, because of the slot we just used. Okay, remove the chain. Take a look at the notches we need. Therefore, the mold as a whole needs to be pushed forward. When choosing a mold, be sure to determine which mold V-slot is with the colleague who operates with the opposite side. If the slot I choose here is different from the slot at the other end, when the upper mold knife comes down, it will crush the lower mold. Step on it, slowly down. First of all, make sure that the upper knife needs to be aligned with the V-slot. Take it slow, step down. Note that the die tip of the upper die corresponds to the center of the opening of the lower die V. After the center is done, we will lift the upper knife. For example, the backstop size is set to 100. Just enter 100 directly. This XP represents the target position of the backstop. YP represents the target position on the Y-axis. For example, I set XP to 15. This is the target value of 15 on the X-axis. Click System Run. After the operation is completed and the corresponding position is reached, the board can be folded. Board on top. Check the angle. If the angle is not suitable, you can change the value of YP to adjust the angle. The smaller the number, the larger the angle. After the Y-axis is in place, step on the foot. You can step on it. The value of YP is different, and the folding angle will be different. When shutting down, try to step down the upper knife and then shut down. This will prolong the service life of the cylinder seal.